been a little bit over 5 weeks and it's time for me to wash my hair. Join me today as I go through my lock maintenance routine. Now, I haven't really changed my lock maintenance routine for like the past 6 years. I've had my locks for 12 years. It's going on 13 years at this point. And I do trim every single time that I do my hair just to make sure that it's not getting too long. It's already at the bottom of my back regularly. I don't let my roots get too thick. This is probably the thickest, as you can see. Like, my hair is a little dirty now. A little bit untwisted, but it's all good. I'm a palm roll it with my lock gel that I personally make. It's olive oil, aloe vera gel, just a bunch of good healthy oils that's going to keep your hair naturally hydrated. But this is just something that I do. It usually only take me like an hour to retwist my hair. So what I'll do is I'm gonna hop in the shower. I'm gonna just show y'all how I wash my hair really quick, and then I'm gonna go through retwisting. I actually let my hair air dry, so we won't have a process of like waiting for it to dry or anything. Let's jump in the wash.